I'm gonna have to grab a fork here. Eating like a caveman. But it's amazing how much work you have to do to edit videos and stuff. It's like an hour to 2 hours, and you have to like come up with all these intros and stuff like that.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it's a lot of work what those YouTubers do. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab a fork. Wrecking the place here. You have forks? It's a little spicy, that chicken, huh? Yeah. For white guys, it's spicy. In the corner? Oh, down there. Okay. Oh yeah, 2 or 3. Yeah, it's a little spicy. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, guys. So let's see here. I can prop this up and actually. All right, let's test this out.
He's vlogging right now.
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now. Sorry, I do YouTube. So, but I came in here for this, and the guy told me like, "This is the best chicken. This is the best chicken." So, the viewers are watching me eat this chicken. So, we'll see how good it is. So, it's a little spicy. The skin was a little spicy. My wife can eat spice, no problem. Me, I'm kind of like.
Good.
It's a little cold. But flavor-wise, it's got good flavor. I'll give them that on the skin. But it's definitely a lot better than the fried chicken they have over there.
Yeah.
That fried stuff is like totally just junk food. Are you guys from this city? Oh, cool. Did you like born and raised here? Really?
I was born in Vancouver.
Ottawa.
Ottawa. Wow, that's far. That's like 3,000 miles away. Wow. But you didn't grow up in Ottawa?
No, I grew up all over here.
Okay, cool.
You want it to?
Yeah, Ottawa's probably
where you
got
at?
snow there.
Yeah, there is. It's really cold. But what?
I said, where you at?
Is that him?
Well, I'll save that for later because I just kind of ate. So not bad, guys.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Better than the fried chicken for sure.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a little cold. It needs to be a little hot. No, it's okay. It's okay. I already ate before I came here. So yeah, I'll probably heat it up at home. I'm gonna finish it later. I had some. The flavor is really good. The spice is really good. Yep, absolutely, for sure. Yep. We'll see you guys. This is really cool.
Yeah, nice
Can
to
I put your do on YouTube? So this guy's fro. That's like the best fro ever. I was like totally awesome. So yeah, it was good meeting you. Good hanging out. Good style too. Good style. You guys are both in sync. It's a black day. Look, black. We're all wearing black. It's good to. I mean, it's on a crappy day like this. Why not, right?
How many subscribers do you have?
Sorry.
How many subscribers?
Oh, not very many. I just started this recently, so yeah. So yeah. So and I'm learning the ins and outs of the editing.
Yeah.
And one of my sons is really good at it. He's got a really awesome channel.
Yeah.
But yeah, so who's your favorite YouTubers?
Superwoman and
Superwoman, what does she do?
no, she's really funny. It's like
Is she?
Yeah, she's super.
I'm gonna check her out.
Casey Neistat.
Yeah, Casey. I was just watching Casey today,
Yeah.
and he was talking about the monetary system and how YouTube's changing because of this, right?
Yeah.
And so yeah,
Or like Miranda sings.
Miranda sings.
Yeah.
Is she kind of funny too, or
It's so funny. It's
really Miranda sings and
Pretty funny.
okay, cool.
Y'all do collabs together too if you get into
Okay,
that.
cool. Yeah, it's kind of like the guys that I watch. I watch like Vitaly, Big Dawes.
Yeah.
Big Dawes is really funny. Big
Yeah,
Dawes
it's pretty funny.
and LAWF and Almost Epic. and Angry Picnic. Those three,
I like those.
yeah, those are pretty funny. They do a lot of pranks. I'm pretty sure in the summertime, one of my sons and I are gonna do a prank down in White Rock. I'll pretend like I'm like blind, and I'll like walk right off the pier, or walk right into the water, and then see people try and save me. So I'll probably do that. But yeah, it was good chatting with you guys. I'll
Yeah.
see you guys around.
Nice meeting you.
It's good chatting. So Superwoman, and the other one was yeah, it'll be on the record. So awesome. Have a good night, guys.
Hey, you too.
Oh, go ahead. All right, boss. Thank you. Have a good night. Yeah, you bet. Oh, I forgot the scone. The scone on the bottom.